We carry over 18 varieties of herbs during the spring. Now most of them are annuals. Annual meaning you have one full season to cook with them, to make marinades, to do cocktails, and then also to freeze them or dry them for the winter months. But there are a few that are perennial, meaning they come up every year. Some of my favorites being anything in the thyme family, like this beautiful fragrant lemon thyme is gorgeous, or oregano like this one. And I have actually put these in my landscaping, so they're mixed amongst all the other perennials, holly bushes, annuals, and they look great and they come up every year. Right off to the side of this I even have down oregano. Now this gets a sweet little white flower and acts as a great ground cover, and it comes back every year. Two others that are great are chives and mint, but they go just a little bit crazy, so you have to be careful where you put those. Now of course you can put these in pots either by themselves, or look at this lovely planter. It's a large pot with a gorgeous clematis in it, and at the base there is rosemary, mint, thyme, and also some annual licorice vine. And later on I'm going to add in this trellis so that the clematis can climb right up it and flower and be glorious, and I'll be able to use that next year too. Another good one is parsley. I like to do a big bowl full of that. It's just a big mound of green on my deck, and then I throw it in the garden, and that tends to reseed itself. So I've had the same batch of parsley for many years to come. So it's great to have some herbs around. They really make your life tastier, and I'm getting hungry. Thanks for joining me. I'm Casey Krause, your home gardener from Hillside Garden Landscaping.